ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, has introduced Lynx to the world of cross-platform app development. Lynx allows developers to write code once and allows for native rendering on Android, iOS, and the web. With Lynx, you can leverage CSS and React as it is designed with web knowledge and libraries in mind, similar to Flutter and React Native. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a Lynx project and start developing. Firstly, when it comes to your system requirements, you will need Node.js 18 or later. If you're planning on using TypeScript as configuration, you'll require Node.js version 18.19. If you have not yet installed Node.js, visit nodejs.org and follow the installation guide for your device. If you are on Windows like I am and have already installed Node.js and want to check your Node version, you can just go to your command prompt and run the following command to check your version. Okay. Next, we need to install RSpedy in order for us to build Lynx projects. To install on Windows, run the following command. Once that's installed, we'll create a folder where we would like to store our Lynx project. We'll just call this one Lynx demo. Then we can go back to our command prompt. Then we need to navigate to our newly created folder. So we created this on our desktop. So we'll just go cd desktop. And then we'll go cd Lynx demo. Okay, now that we are in our folder, we can run the RSpedy command to create a new project. So we'll just type npm create RSpedy at latest and then enter. Next, we will need to specify our project name or path. For this, we'll just call it Lynx project 1. You can give it your own project name as well, and then click enter. And then we have to select our language, TypeScript or JavaScript. At the moment, the recommended language is TypeScript, so we'll go ahead with TypeScript. And then we can select additional tools such as Biome, ESLint, or Prettier. Because we are selecting TypeScript, we can select Biome because it has linting and formatting in one tool and also includes TypeScript support out of the box. But this is obviously up to you how you would like to configure your project setup. So to select a tool, we'll just press the space bar, and then when we're ready to continue, we'll press enter. Okay, once that's done, we can go into our folder to confirm that the project has been created. And here we have our project, Lynx project 1. After that, we can open up VS Code. We can open up our newly created project. So this was on our desktop, Lynx demo, Lynx project 1. Close this. So here we have our newly created project. We can open up our terminal and then we'll run the following command. So all this does is just add in any additional packages that's required. And now we can start our live dev server by running the command npm run dev. You will then be given a QR code which you can open using the Lynx Explorer app. You can download the app on your device by visiting the GitHub release page. Just show you that. So on Android, you want to download this .apk file. On Mac, you can visit the Mac App Store and download the Xcode app. And then you can also open up the QR code or URL in that app. Cool, so let me just show you how I would do that on mobile. I'm using Android. To test that everything is working as it should, open the source app.tsx file, and then we can make an edit here. So we can just say, we can change the title to noise. Save that, and it should update on the Lynx Explorer instantly. And there you have it. To quit your development environment, simply type Q in your terminal.